사랑이 사랑만이 너 완벽하게 내 모든 요점들은 다 숨겨지기에 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 피할 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어. I'm so sick of this fake love, fake love, fake love. I'm so sorry but it's fake love, fake love, fake love. I wanna be a gold just for you. 세상을 좀 just for you. 전부 바꿔서 just for you. 나를 너는 who are you? Hey, 우리만의 수 너는 없어. 내가 완전 blue 잊어버렸어. 나도 내가 누구였는지도 잘 모르게 됐어. 거울에다 뒤걸려봐 너는 대체 누구래? 위해서라면 아직도 기쁜 척할 수가 있었어. 널 위해서라면 난 아파도 강한 척할 수가 있었어. 사랑이 사랑만을 더 완벽하게 내 모든 이점들은 다 숨겨지게 이루어지지 않는 꿈속에서 이을 수 없는 꽃을 키웠어. 나의 사발 나의 사발 날 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내 너였으면 너였으면 널 지원해 여기들을 해. 나의 사발 나의 사발 날 위해 예쁜 거짓을 빚어내 너였으면 너였으면 널 지원해 여기들을 해. Sick of this fake love, fake love, fake love. I'm so sorry but it's fake love, fake love, fake love. Why you stop? I don't know, 나 몰라. 웃어봐, 사랑해 말해봐. 나를 봐, 나조차 버린 나. 너조차 이해할 수 없는 나. 낯설다 하는 네가 좋아하던 나는 변한 내가 아니라 하는 예전에 네가 잘 알고 있던 내가 하는 게 뭐가 사랑은 너가 사랑. It's so fake love. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know why. 날 나도 내 모르겠어. Ooh, I just know why. Cause it's a fake love.
I'm impressed.
Guys are crying, I'm watching, catching teardrops in my hands. Only silence as it's ending, like we never had a chance. Do you have to make me feel like there's nothing left of me? You can take everything I have, you can break everything I am, like I'm made of glass, like I'm made of paper. Go on and try to tear me down, I will be rising from the ground like a skyscraper, like a skyscraper. As the smoke clears, yeah. Feelings so deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. I'm feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.
It blends old school and new school. It keeps that downbeat, you know, that R&B downbeat. Her voice is very down. It's almost that, let's see.
Yeah. Get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, dee-dee-da-do. It just won't stop, it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feeling all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh, no, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do.
Look at that. I can see it now.
It just won't stop, it go bottom. Boot up, 718. Boot up, my heart go bottom. Boot up, it just won't stop, it go.
Fabuloso Cadillacs. Listen to Matador. Did I say that right?
Me dicen el matador, nací en Barracas. Si hablamos de matar, mis palabras matan. No hace mucho tiempo que cayó el león Santillán. Y ahora sé que en cualquier momento me la van a dar. ¿Dónde estás, matador?
called Flamenco.
Get it when I get back. Click, clap, clap.
Yeah, it's popping. I can see it in the big stadium.
Who wants to play?
Hey, Al, we see you.
Yeah.
Featuring the one and only Chris Brown and Trey Songz. Hey, that's what
Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck making love. Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck making love. Putting it down all on your body, yeah, all on your body. Promise I ain't gon' tell nobody, no I ain't gon' tell nobody. Putting it down all on your body, yeah, all on your body. Promise I ain't gon' tell nobody, no I ain't gon' tell nobody. It's a lot of things that I wanna do. Let's just keep it between me and you. And I don't wanna seem cocky, but I'ma have you talking about it to your friend, and you gon' rate me a 10. And if I'm the back on the floor, you're telling me you want more. You're telling me you want it every which way. I feel like I done dived into a lake. Oh no. And it's the way that it's running down my nose. No. Turn on the radio, put it on your favorite song. And I'm gonna fuck you for all night long. You know you're the baddest. You know you ain't the average girl. No, you're not an average girl. Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck making love. Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck making making love. Putting it down all on your body, yeah, all on your body. Promise I ain't gon' tell nobody, no, I ain't gon' tell nobody. Putting it down all on your body, yeah, all on your body. Promise I ain't gon' tell nobody, no, I ain't gon' tell nobody. Give it to you good like it's your birthday, yeah. Baby girl, we ain't doing no acting. I'm the real, I don't need no practice. Let me put in that word, that action, and it ain't no rules. You already know what to do. We already know set the mood to. Rubbing and touching all on you, beating up on it like I don't know you. You didn't know that I was a dog, baby. Yeah, I don't really think you know. I'll keep on going till you act like you know.
Yeah, I remember.
Put it on your favorite song, and I'm gonna fuck you for all night long. You know you're the baddest, you know you ain't the average girl. No, you're not an average girl. Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck, making love. Tonight I wanna fuck, damn right I wanna fuck, making love, putting it down all.
Gucci flip-flops, fake it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. 2 to 6 out, wintertime, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy ass, turn this shit up a notch. Gucci flip-flops, make a kick rock. It's a big clock, check the wristwatch. Gucci flip-flops, fake it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. Bad baby, got
It was so crazy.
Cash.
Okay, I
Do the dash, try to play me, bitch, I'm busting your ass. Lot of guns sound, only guns down. Know why these bitches mad? Cause they trash and they fucking for cash. 2 official blow the whistle, bitch, I'm fly as a bird. Take a picture, get your issue, bitch, and I'm a word. Walk in the bank, fuck it up, poking that bitch with a shank, fuck it up. I'm about to look at your bag, make a double bag and triple tab. Gucci flip flops, fake it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock. 2 to 6 out, wintertime, dropping the top. Give it to they pussy ass, turn this shit up a notch. Gucci flip flops, make a kick rock. This a big clock, check the wristwatch. Gucci flip flops, fake it, hit your bitch in massage. This a big watch, diamonds dripping off of the clock.
I got big guap, pussy young, real rich. 6 cars, 2 houses, and I'm still rich. Think it's sweet, 1 car, hit the kill switch. We'll be cool, I ain't worried about your little bitch, nigga. That little chain that you rockin', that's so little to me. Talking shit but want a verse, that's a riddle to me. Can't for the bitch if she got a virginity, cause then she gon' really be enemy. Take 50 shots on my rock for the enemies. Put a few holes in his kidney.
Hi, little girl.
Yeah.
Better be careful. Cardi B, be careful. When she tell you to be careful, when she tell you to be careful, you better
Wanna
be careful.
get married, like the Curry,
Cardi B
Stephen
tell you to be
Aisha shit,
careful,
but
you
we
better be
more
careful.
like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha shit.
She ain't
Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man, I thought you would've learned a lesson. About liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep in contact with certain exes. Do you though? Trust me, nigga, it's cool though. Said that you was working, but you out here chasing culo and putas, chilling poolside, living 2 lives. I could've did what you did to me to you a few times, but if I did decide to slide, find a nigga, fuck him, suck his dick. You would've been pissed, but that's not my MO. I'm not that type of bitch, and karma for you is gonna be who you end up with. Don't make me sick, nigga. I adore. I gave you everything, was mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course, but I hope you get what you dying for. Be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' gain the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you losing? Be careful with me.
She ain't playing. It's always a little one.
It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me.
It's always a little bitty one.
My heart is like a package with a fragile label on it. Be careful with me.
Make me feel like shit, like I'm nothing to you. Now I'm sitting in the hills, got you missing the few. I can read you like Braille, where's the real you? I'm missing you, I'm missing you. If I was you, I see the truth. Say something, say something. You know that you want to. Can't nobody hold me down.
You can be playing it. I want to hear it. Yeah.
Can't nobody hold me down like you, like you, like you, down like you. Can't nobody hold me down.
This is the official music video. You got to check it out.
Can't nobody hold me down. Can't nobody hold me down like you, like you, like you, down like you. Can't nobody hold me down. Oh, 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 oh. But everybody hating with a love back. If I give it to you, will you get a love back? It's time for everybody to level up and settle up your problems. Just go ahead and let God in, cause he got us, yeah. Tired of running from the police, never fucking over my homies. All my niggas make it in one piece, and my lane whipping it in one seat.
Like that, eh?
I know a lot of people owe me, but I won't go back to the old me. Please stop acting like you know me. I'm a bitch trying to keep us going. You got your right, then lit it up. Shine till your light is bright and big enough. And if you bow down, come on, pick it up. When you ain't for the sky, you start lifting up. It's super heavy to carry your own weight, and too much to finish what's on your plate. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, okay.
Another Chris Brown. Don't make me.
It's my push. Baby, why you keep doing shit? You're running from me, but you know you gon' get it. I'ma teach you how to love me. Want you to be bad right now. I want you to fuck me, yeah. With your sexy ass. I'ma make that devil on to me. Baby, I'ma get it all. I'ma get it. Your body's calling, let me break you out. Kinky, just feel on with it. Baby, I'm right here. You know that belongs to me, so put it right here. Girl, don't make me have to tell you. Yeah. That's my pussy, babe. You better not give it away, baby. Don't make me have to tell you. Yeah. That's my pussy, baby. It's mine, girl, it's mine, girl, it's mine, girl. So you better not give it away. So you better not give it away. Better not give it away. So you better not give it away. I'm fucking off that good bitch, I know you see me calling. I'm blowing up your phone, trying to fuck you till the morning. The kitty crying tears. I can't love it while I'm on that shit. We bring it here. I'ma look at just how you want it. You got me paying all of your bills. I can run and take care of your kid. Love it when you put that thing on me. Hit it in the back and I give you chills. All I want is that pussy. Girl, let me get it. You know I own that cookie. You love it, baby. How to tell you? babe. You made me have to tell you.
To fly with an angel,
Brown, once
while the
again.
dealers die
Look
for
at
it.
you, Dougie.
The kush burn
Announce
like
this.
bullets, both I'm chasing the green. I'm cheaping, seeing down after down. Girl, I need that strong shit, the top of the line. You know that's the in your wrong shit. You know that I might be hybrid, young thing. Baby, just try this. I got all the flavors. Got you
Chris Brown is
feeling
that guy's man. He said he's
I
paying
got you
all
on
those
it,
bills.
not to
You remember
think
when
of the blow. We can do it. Let's go. Hallucinating this shit will make you see it go. Your mind told us.
Chris Brown said I pay all your bills. You know, girls like to hear that.
Throw it in the air, where you live at. If I get it tonight, you bringing that shit back. Okay, now usually I don't do this, but your ass got me turned up, popping all that pussy booty bouncing. I got an ounce roll up. Wanna see you get low? Take my credit card, this my account. Lamborghini's on me, just so I can see the bitch ride around. Everything I go, all the ace in the air, but I hide these hoes. I do it like a show. About an hour 45 and I'm out the door. I'm fly as hell with my clientele, my pockets swell. Got guns from the bitches, running for the bitches, make a nigga rock and roll. I'ma hold my
But y'all
set
guys don't know
elevate like
something,
nigga do better. But if one night I gotta
They
take
don't
life,
know.
you gon' see the residue from a Beretta. I got way too many bitches on me for me to be lonely. Worry about a bitch that might be fucking a homie. Low key, never that. I pull up with 40. Back up, motherfucker, down, act like you know me. I be in that trap. When a nigga was 13, I did that. Saw them Jordan 13, so that ounce nigga, I'm gon' get that. Got that hunger for that pussy. I'm up there, that cloud nine.
Yeah, he stopped paying the bills. Woo. You crazy, Dougie. I'm crazy. You going along with it.
You the one always saying I don't treat you right, babe. Don't wanna go out and dance like we used to. Don't wanna Netflix and chill. Girl, you never in the mood. Your phone stay on vibrate. Baby, who the hell calling me late? Every other day your story changes. If you ain't really gonna love me, baby, I can leave. 'Cause I ain't being mad. I'm too weak for how you gonna be mine if he's yours? Baby, you done took a detour. It's fucking me up. Tell the truth, but you can't do it. I'm here to against. Tell the truth. Tell me you get it to me easily. I try to drink away the misery. Too drunk, too angry. Gotta come clean to figure it out. She cheated. I know it. Too drunk, too angry. Girl, that shit fucked up, I can't believe it. Think you can lie. You gotta pick a side. Him up. Him up. Him up. She cheated.
Yeah, that on the scene.
I know it. Girl, that shit fucked up, I can't believe it. When you play with my heart, I heard a melody. Right now I ain't see. I was trying to find a piece. Everything you said I did, you did to me with this other guy. You know he don't got you like I do. Don't refuse this gift I got for you. You know what? Guess I ain't give you enough attention. Guess I ain't tag you enough into your business. Don't even lie, been talked about you. You said you won't hate it. And I'm too crazy to have kids. She said I should live in the moment. Tell me don't put too much on it. Tell me don't put too much on it. Your phone stay on vibrate. No, too drunk, too angry. Come clean, figure it out. She cheated. I know it.
This is called ATM.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Proceed with caution. I heard if you taste it, it only results in a hole in your heart. Fuck it, I take the whole cake and I won't leave a portion. It's only an organ. Thank God mama couldn't afford the abortion. The loneliest orphan. I flip my misfortune and grow me a fortune. My rollie is scorching. Them niggas that hated it slowly endorsing. Not coldly important. My niggas beside me like Tommy and Martin. We ballin' your cotton. Then skate with your bitch like we Tony your heart in. She don't need the garments. She horny from all of the money we countin'. Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it. Can't take it when you die, but you can't live without it. Count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up, count it, count it up, count it up, count it up. Count it, can't take it when you die. Big bills, big bills. I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills. My niggas running tip drills. Can't sit still, don't give a fuck if it kills. It mixed well, I'm only counting big bills. Big bills, I fell in love with big wheels and quick thrills.
Like my girl's nipples be. The game sour like a pickle bee. Y'all know the rules. From BK to New Jerusalem. Think about all the planes we flew. Bitches we ran through. Now the year's new. I lay my game flat. I want my spot back. Take two. Motherfuckers mad cause I blew. Niggas envy us. Too many niggas on my dick. Shit strenuous. When my men bust, you just move with such stamina. Slugs missed ya. I ain't mad at ya.
The beat is tight.
Blood rushing, concussions ain't nothing. Catch cases, come out frontin', smoking something, sipping white Russians, bitchin' the Benz bumping. I laced it with the basic 6 TVs, a system, knockin' make shit. Face it, we hard to hit. Guard your shit before I stick you. For your re-up, wipe the pee up, lick shots, woke your seat up, go in the ashtray, spark the weed up, long kiss.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm flaming gats, aiming at these fucking maniacs. Put my name in raps. What part the game is that? Like they hustle backwards. I smoke backwoods and Dutchies. You can't touch me. Try to rush me. Slugs go touchy touchy. You're bleeding lovely with your spirit above me or beneath me. Your whole life you live sneaky. Now you rest eternally sleepy. You burn when you creep me. Rest where the worms in the weak be. My 9 flies, baptized, baptized with the Holy Ghost. I put holes the most. You hold your toes shaky, slipping, trying to break me. Look what you made me do. Brains blue, my team in the marine blue. 6 coupe, skeet it out, weed it out, cleaning out the block for distances, giving long kisses, bitch.
Speak. Don't say forgive me. Forgive me. Don't say you're sorry. Can't take it anymore. Can't take it. Can't take it. Can't take it. Can't take it anymore. I've listened to your lies and all your stories, and I can't take it.
I'm listening.
Anymore. Can't take it. Can't take it.
Got a reggaeton
Can't
vibe.
take it. Can't take it. anymore. Don't say forgive me. I heard it all before. Don't say you're sorry. I've seen it all before. And I've heard it all before. Speak.
Two Chainz, oh my, featuring Missy Elliott.
Yeah, the one and only Missy Elliott. Remember when she first came out? It was like, who is that?
Listening to
Remember when Missy Elliott? Excuse me. Yeah, but when I first saw her, I was like, wow, whatever it is, wow, you know?
You are now listening to 100 Bullets.
That Moon by 111 East. Oh, it sounds good already. I like it. I saw Earth, Wind, and Fire last night. I deserved it. Hey, they were awesome. I tell you, there's nothing like behind this talent of 45 years in the business. And they sounded like the record. I wasn't even sure if they were singing. If I hadn't seen the Jumbotron, I would have been, kind of thinking that they weren't really singing. It was so crystal clear and beautiful. Yeah, crystal clear and beautiful. I mean, Philip Bailey, my God. When you hear his voice, it's like there is a God. Fantastic. And his son was in there too, and he has a few little chops on him. Looks just like him, a spitting image of him, Yeah. His son is Philip Bailey also, Okay, we were at 111 East, now we're at 280 West. We moved from the east side to the west side. It's so hard in New York getting from east to west and west to east. It'll take you all day to get across town. Like 10 blocks, it takes you all day. Oh, only you would say that. You great. This is Queen Regina on the scene. Hey, baby, it's wonderful outside. I came outside, it's all nice and sunny. I was like, wow, it's so beautiful outside. You can actually see the clouds. They're blue, and they look like mountains, and they're spreading across the sky. I felt great coming over here. Oh, look at that sweet. He knows what to say. Oh, thank you. Gotta know what to say, guys. Put a little honey on it instead of the vinegar, Catch more bees with honey. Hey, call us up. We're lovely. 718-622-4590. We're waiting on you.
find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Down to my hand, stop and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of when we can, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting in a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. Now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you. Come on, be my baby, come on. 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 Come on, be my baby.
Made a picture in my mind. You wanna leave it all behind. In a world that's turning all the time. Nothing could stop me longing for your eyes. I won't let it die. I can feel you when you're not around. When the night gets cold, I won't be alone. We won't be alone. This lake of fire burns my skin. How could love wear so thin? I'm sinking in the hollow ground. Nothing can stop me wanting you somehow. I won't let it die. I can feel you when you're not around. When the night gets cold, I won't be alone. We won't be alone. be alone.
Get up, I get in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's a sin. I won't ever slack up, punk you better back up. Try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, put your hands up if you got the feeling. Jump up touch the ceiling, monsters are pumped up. Someone's fucking drunk, yo, I'll bust them in the eye. And then I'll take the pump stuff, feeling funky. Amps in the trunk and I got more rhymes than this cops at a Dunkin' Donut shop. Sure enough, I got rock from the kids on the hill, cause my mom and my pop. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get down your seat and jump around. Jump around, come up and get down. Jump around, jump around, come up and get down. Jump up and get down. Jump, somebody jump, somebody jump, jump up and get down. Somebody jump, I'll show you ass like John McEnroe. Get the girl steps up, I'm smacking the heart. Word to your moms, I came to drop bombs. I got more rounds and the bottles got sore. And just like the sun, I return. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get hurt. Cause I got marriage, but you ain't got none. If you come to battle, bring a shotgun. But if you do, the move is I do to the death. Trying to step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, come get your fill. Cause when I shoot the kill, I shoot the kill. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around. Jump around, come up and get down. Jump around, jump around, come up and get down. Jump up and get down. Jump.
Any money. Thank God it's Friday. Please don't ask me for my ID. If I'm in the iTunes library, got my own book in my library. My mansion is so tidy, but my name is ain't my mistress, cause she never wear no 90. I go clap just to do high tea. Jordan's on like Spike Lee. I'm high again, you're high street. Swag is jacking my style. When I was a kid, I used to save up for my Nikes. Now all these little kids is trying to save up for my Nikes. Go. Tambourine, trampoline, shake what your mama gave you, shake it like a tambourine, shake what your mama gave you, shake it like a tambourine, shake what your mama gave you, shake it like a tambourine, shake. Make that thing so loud, you gon' have to scream.
I just bought a pilot from the Cayman Islands. More treasure on my chest than a Versace pirate. Your mom sent me a pic, gave me a computer virus. Diamonds twerking on my wrist, Miley Cyrus. You can break my heart, feel it right. I had the iPhone 7 in the 50s, right? There's no going back.
Se acabó. De llorar por ti me duele la cabeza. Es hora de hacer borrón y cuenta nueva. Cuántas noches agonizando por ti. Me voy para la fiesta, fiesta. Hey, a olvidarte, mujer. Por muy difícil que me parezca, lo intentaré.
Ya no puedo amarte y no fue culpa mía. No tengo más que darte. Mi alma está vacía. Estoy perdida en el tiempo. No vale la pena, pedido
sin lista mi partida. Y voy a dejarte aunque seas la mujer de mi vida. Se acabó el amor. Se acabó el amor entre tú y yo. Se acabó el amor. Aunque yo te ame, por eso hoy te digo adiós.
Bebé, ¿cuántas veces me negaste tu querer? Yo con ganas de darte placer y tú negociándome hasta tu sostén. Yo no sé por qué fuiste tan mala mujer. Después que yo te di mi querer, después que yo te di mi querer.
A mí me parece que a ti también se te olvida cuántas noches me dejaste sola y arrepentida. Yo también estoy sufriendo más con tu partida, pero en este momento voy a empezar mi vida. Se acabó el amor.
Back the dance floor, back the dance floor.
Dance on the groove. Back up speedy.
Back the dance floor like a bulldozer. Back the dance floor like a bulldozer. Back the dance floor like a bulldozer.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you? You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you? These shallow waters never meant what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you set my heart on fire.
Hey, John.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Really?
La, 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 la,
Like a virgin, hey, touch for the very first time, baby. I'm like a virgin when your heart beats next to mine. Like a virgin, like a virgin.
Breaking down Ananda project. Ananda. No, it does. It takes you back to that comedic Yeah, he dances. Yeah, he does a good song. Yeah, he's
Come to me, can't you see me breaking down?
Get it new here on the Red Zone. Things you can't hear on the radio. You know I'm on the radio. I listen to all stations. But you know the only thing is that it's so repetitive. You know, like over and over and over and over. You know, I understand the reason, but after a while, you know, I want to hear something fresh. So if you want to hear something fresh, you got to listen to the Red Zone. DJ Dougie Fresh. All right. Call us up 718-622-4590. We're lonely. We got all these babies in here. The music is the babies, you know. We got a lot of babies in here. I'm glad you said that because I couldn't say it.
So, okay, now I saw that I should not use
Say it
teacher
again.
as my focus. So I said, I titled the song Teacher That Teach
Hawaii
Nonsense.
or Polynesia, you know.
Now,
Hey, I know my stuff. I'm gonna pat myself on the back.
now I mentioned democracy.
That's why you need a wife.
Now, in English, man will say democracy.
You're crazy, though.
But if the African man wants to say brookie, we'll say democracy. You see now? I never thought of the word. I said democracy. Now I saw craziness. I said I could now see let my people see that democracy really is not that word, that is really madness, you know. So I said, now I started to sing. I said, I started to think of this word democracy.
Yeah,
Democracy.
better than Sam is.
Crazy demo.
Shelter.
Demonstration of grace. Crazy demonstration. Then I went a little bit serious because I know that people will laugh at that when they hear that. Then I went a little bit serious.
You know, they start talking about it. That's why it's called deep house. What they're talking about is deep.
Time goes forward. Things getting worse. Poor man they cry. Rich man they mess. Democracy. Crazy devil. Demonstration of grace. Then I ended up to put the mind of the calling and stuff. I said, if a good teacher teach something, if a good teacher teaches something, and a student make a mistake.
Falling into your love, the urge within. I wanted to see you move, lighting the fire inside again. And I feel the rush, I feel your hands, slowly crashing through the night. I'm going in, baby, tell me that you can feel it too. Like a heart attack, we're drinking on a Sunday. Hearts on blast, we'll sing our worries away. I shot red, we're hoping that you stay. No turning back, we're running from the new day. Heart attack, back, 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 heart attack,
Right now, I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be in like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. Picking it up, I'm living, I'm picking it up. I just want you to come with me.
Ariana Grande, once again. This is Borderline featuring Missy Elliott.
Well, we're trying to do Borderline, but
We're going to rewind on that Borderline. How's everybody out there? And call us up to 718-622-4590 and let us know how you feel today. You know, you got like an hour in. No, you got less than an hour. Yeah, you got about an hour and 20 minutes before you leave the office. So get ready, get your stuff together and get out of there. Okay. We got just enough left for you to just feel good before you get out of that office. And you know, today is hump day. Okay. So get yourself together, call your friends, Facebook your friends, Instagram your friends, and then get to your favorite spot after work and just have a party. Okay. And we are going to come up with another Madonna. Girls, we all can go wild. Get yourself together, get your purse, and get out to the favorite spot of the programa.
If you're looking for
it pulls on me. It's like a force of gravity right up under my